In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and import files with customer and appointment information. Ensure that you are logged into your AppointmentReminders.com account, and then from the navigation menu, select My Data Sources, then Import Files. What is an import file? An import file is a file that you create that contains customer information, appointment information, or both. They are comma-delimited text files. .csv or Excel files that you can open easily with a text editor or Excel. You can create them from scratch, generate them from your scheduling software, or export them from Google, Outlook, or any other program that supports file exporting. When sending us import files, we will never add duplicate customers or appointments. This way, you don't have to worry if you have already uploaded customer or appointment info. You can simply upload the entire file again and know that duplicate records will be ignored. First, let's create an import file that contains contact info only. We have already created a simple template for you, so let's start there. Click on the link that says "Click here for a simple template." This will download a sample template to your computer. Go ahead and open up the file in Excel. Since this file will just contain contact information, go ahead and delete the 3 columns on the right entitled APPT date, APPT time, and reminder type. Out of all of these fields, the only required fields are first name, last name, and phone. Email address and cust ID are optional. However, if you intend to use any of these fields in your reminders, then you will need to specify them. You can see that there are 3 records already here. The first record has information for all 5 columns. The second is missing an email address, and the third record is missing email address and phone. All 3 of these customers are valid and should all be uploaded correctly. Let's add one more line just to demonstrate an invalid record. Let's type bad for first name and record for last name, and then enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for phone number. Now click on File, Save As. Click Browse and choose a location to save your file. Where it says Save As Type, click the drop-down list. Choose .csv, delimited, and click Save. Excel may give you a warning about saving it as a .csv. Just click Yes to keep using that format. Now go back to your AppointmentReminders.com account and go to the Import Files page if you are not there already. Click on the button that says Select Files. Browse to the file that we just created and click Open. Now click on Upload. Once it's finished uploading, you can see it in the list below. It should show that 3 contacts were added. If you click View Details, you can see the 3 good records in blue and the bad record in red. Now let's look at an import file that contains customer and appointment information. Let's go ahead and download the simple template again. Click on the link that says "Click here for a simple template." This will download a sample template to your computer. This time, we will use all the columns. I'll explain the additional columns. APPT date contains the appointment date. APPT time contains the appointment time in 24-hour format or standard format. And reminder type contains either the reminder type ID that you want to send, the outreach method, call, text, or email, or the word canceled. Let's discuss the reminder type column briefly. If you leave this field blank, then it will send the default reminder type for your company. If you add the term call, then this person will get a call type reminder type, assuming that you have one set up. You can also specify text or email, and it will send a text message or email reminder type to this customer, assuming that one exists. You can also specify a reminder type ID if you want them to receive a specific reminder type. The reminder type ID can be found on the Reminder Types page. Keep in mind that if you have more than one reminder type of a certain outreach type, then you should specify the reminder type ID. Otherwise, the system may not send the correct reminder type. If the appointment has been canceled, just enter Canceled in this field and the reminder will not be sent. This will also delete any current reminders that you already uploaded, assuming that they have not gone out yet. Congratulations! You can now create and upload import files. There are additional things you can add to your import files, such as custom fields and more. For additional information in import files, as well as downloadable templates, please see our posting on import files. For a shortcut to this posting, click on Import Files, then click on the Help with this page button.